Finding the perfect web browser for your streaming device can be a nightmare. Most browsers restrict downloads, force you to use a clunky mouse toggle, or fail to play videos in full screen. Today on TechVibes, I will show you the ultimate free browser that solves all these problems. It supports full high-definition streaming, handles app downloads perfectly, and works seamlessly with your standard remote. You need to optimize your device settings first to install it safely. Follow these advanced steps to unlock the best browsing experience on your device. Step 1 is to configure your streaming device. Go to the Settings menu on your home screen, click on My Fire TV, and open the Developer options. Turn on both options to allow the installation of applications from outside the official store. This preparation ensures your device can handle the new browser setup. Step 2 is to secure your entire network connection. Open NordVPN on your device before you download any files. Connect to a secure server to fully encrypt your internet traffic. This stops trackers and protects your personal data. You should use NordVPN to run any apps smoothly on your device. The official installation link is mentioned in the description and the comments section below. Step 3 is to open the Downloader application. Go to your app list and launch Downloader. Click on the search bar and type the quick code 53402. Press the Go button on your screen. This action instantly connects your device to the utility website. Step 4 is to locate the browser installation file. Click on the 3 lines menu in the top corner of the page. Select the Tutorials option from the list. Scroll down until you see the setup guide for the TVBro browser. Click the green download button to pull the file directly to your device. Step 5 is to install the new application. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the setup after the download completes. Launch the TVBro app for the first time. You can now use your standard remote D-pad to navigate up and down pages easily. Step 6 is to learn the menu shortcuts. Press the back button on your remote control to bring up the main menu instantly. Press left to open a brand new browsing tab. This lets you open multiple tabs for streaming, social media, and downloads all at the same time. Step 7 is to utilize the advanced features. Click the microphone icon at the top of the menu to start a voice search. You can also press the star icon to save any active web page to your personal favorites list. This allows you to jump back to your top sites with a single click. Step 8 is to customize your privacy settings. Go into the browser settings menu to choose your favorite search engine. The built-in ad blocker is enabled by default to stop annoying pop-ups. This keeps your interface clean and fast while you stream high-definition video. This browser completely transforms how you use your streaming stick. It is fast, free, and removes all restrictions. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to TechVibes for more daily tech tips. Leave a comment below and let me know which browser you use. See you in the next video.